Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for you for the S Pen for the S21 Ultra. Now this case is made by Visvera. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at this. And you can get this case from Amazon. It's the S21 Ultra phone case with S Pen holder, carbon fiber leather. All right, this is carbon fiber leather. That's the difference on this one. You can see that little right there, a little bit of carbon fiber. And so I was interested in that. All right, but we'll see how everything fits. And you get $50.99 on Prime for this case right here. And let's see, I don't see any other colors either, so it's just one color. But I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box. Out of the ordinary, make your life more convenient and safe and simple. All right, nothing else else on the box. Right there, best with this. Let's go ahead and pull this out. All right, so nothing else in the box there. Get this foam out here. Now, this case has got nice grip on the side. Immediately I felt that. You see these little ridges right here. I'm not sure how well you can see on the camera, but it's got nice ridges right here for nice feel, nice grippy feel. Now, this carbon fiber leather is a little slippery, but that's not a big deal because the sides are so grippy. You got that nice material there, and it's got a little shiny area around the front like that. I think it's going to fit a little better than the other ones. Now, you got your opening for your charging port right there, and your speaker, and you got your mic hole up top, and you got your volume down rocker, and your power button right there, and you got an opening for the camera, and it's going to be raised up and protected because you got this raised area back here. Okay, I like the way this looks, and I like the way it feels because of this grippy area, and it's a little stiff. All right, hopefully it fits nice and tight, nice and snug. I would like that. I like this shiny area around the top here to give that, get that gloss black area right there around the edges. So I like that. And like I said, I've tried a few of these already. We'll see how this S Pen slips in here. It looks pretty big. It looks like it might fit well. So and it might be easy to get in and out. So this might be the one that I like the most. But we're going to get the phone and the S Pen and put it inside and see how that looks, okay? Okay, here's the S21 Ultra right here. Let's go ahead and put it inside. Hopefully this fits really well. The inside's got a little texture there, but it's nice. Now this case was built nicely. So this fits better than all the ones I've used for, and the grip is exceptional. Right here, these little areas right here, that grip is going to be nice. So this is the best one so far. And I like the little shiny area there, so I like this. And the camera's going to be protected. And if this works really well, it's going to be my go-to case right here for the S Pen. I like to use it at work. So you see there, everything lines up. You see the speaker hole right there. I mean, in your charging port and your mic hole, and you got your speaker right there, and the mic holes line up very well also. So now on the front, you got a little bit of lip. It's a little bit more than the others. And this is a stiffer. I just like the way this feels better than this. Feels more secure to me. This comes up a little higher on the sides though. So the sides give you more protection. It is higher on the sides. I like that. And just this is probably the best one I've used so far. All right. Let me put the S Pen in and see how that works. Now, sometimes it's a little difficult to begin with, but note this went in very nicely. And I will say this is probably the best one so far. Okay. I like this one. I like the way now getting it out. It's going to take some work, but it'll get softer, easier over time. But this is a nice case right here. And I like the way it works. Okay, so I think I'll be using this one. This is the way it looks right here. Nice executive look. And it's going to be nice and clean for you. Okay, and some decent protection. Okay, the S Pen is going to help with that as well. Power button, everything works nicely. So no problem there. I like this case. Now let's see how wireless charge work with the S Pen. We know to work without it, but let's see how it works with the S Pen inside, okay? Okay, so here's the wireless charger right here. Put the case on. So it picks up wireless charge. That's pretty good, all right? Now let's check it out when you stand it up. So it does pick up wireless charge. However, it's not sitting that well on this charger. Now, other chargers that are flat, it will fit pretty well. But it will pick up the wireless charge. Okay, if you got to set it the right way. So this one doesn't sit quite as well when you set it down. Let's put it this way right here and see what happens. So it picks up wireless charge that way right there as well. All right, so it will pick up wireless charge. You got to set it right in the right spot and it'll do it. Okay. Didn't work as well as the other one, but it does work. Does work pretty well. Okay, so that was the S Pen case, the leather carbon fiber case from Visvera. This is probably the best one so far. The S Pen goes in nicely and it fits well. And this feels really good in the hand. Nice grip, and you get a little more protection with this one. Probably the best in that area as well so far. So I recommend this case here among the others that I've reviewed so far. Right, this is probably the best one. Now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.